Do you want to know what credit score we look for as a lender to get you qualified for a mortgage? Well, stay tuned and watch this video. I'm going to break down the formula. When taking your loan application, we pull 3 credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Now, any lender out there is going to pull all 3 bureaus, and we're going to use the middle score to qualify you for your home mortgage. Now, we do not take an average of the 3 scores. We literally take the middle score. So in this example, we have Experian with a 670, TransUnion with a 690, and Equifax with a 680. The credit score that we will qualify you with for your mortgage is going to be the 680. Many people think that we take an average or we're going to use one specific credit bureau. That's not the case. We literally will take whichever score from whichever bureau is in the middle between all 3 credit bureaus. So now let's take that example and add a second borrower to the loan. A lot of times we get calls, people asking, if I maybe have my parents or family member co-sign, can I use their score to qualify me for the mortgage? So let's take a look. Let's say, for example, you are borrower number 1. You have the 680 credit score. And let's say you've got your parents that are maybe willing to co-sign for you on your mortgage, but let's say they have an 800 credit score. Which credit score do you think we're going to use to get you approved for the mortgage? You're wrong. We don't use the 800. We will use the lower of the 2 credit scores to qualify you for the home loan. So if you are a borrower and your credit score is at the lower end, don't assume that because mom or dad has a great credit score that you're going to get approved for the mortgage. We will always use the lower of the 2 scores to qualify you for your home loan. And remember, your pre-approval isn't just based on your credit. We also look at your income. We're going to look at the debt that's on the credit report. We're also going to look at that potential mortgage payment. So just because your credit score could be an 800, that doesn't guarantee that you're going to get approved for a home loan. So that's why getting with a lender is so important, because you want to make sure that you do look at the right credit score and they review your financials, so that way you do have a solid pre-approval and you know what you can afford when you do get ready to purchase your home. And another thing to keep in mind, if you're using a consumer website like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame to monitor your credit score, a lot of times those credit scores are going to be 50 or so points higher than what your score really is. I just talked to a lady yesterday that told me that she thought she had a 690 credit score. When I pulled her credit report, she had a 600. So if you're getting serious about qualifying and purchasing a home, make sure you get with a lender who understands what they're doing, because the last thing you want to do is make plans based on the wrong credit score or get bad information from someone who's not too familiar with the credit process, and you start shopping for a home that you can't qualify for. So if you guys have any other questions, drop that in the comments below. We're going to keep bringing you guys more videos to help you understand the buying process and what it takes to become a homeowner in today's market. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.